Hello friends. So in this video, I want to optimize my Ansible command. So what do I mean? Instead of typing a long command, like for example, if I want to ping these EC2 instances, right? The Red Hat and the Debian host, right? I need to type Ansible, then I'll put dash I, which is for the inventory file. The inventory file is invec2, right? So then I'll put the name of the inventory file. Then I'll put dash M, which is for module. And the module here is to ping. So I think there should be all, and then dash M, then ping. So because I want to ping everything, all the all the um EC2 instance inside the inventory file, right? So if I click enter, right, it's going to ping it, right? It's going to ping it. So if you look at it, this success, it's connected to the Red Hat and also to the DB host, right, instance. So instead of typing all this command, right, basically this is what I want to achieve. I just want to get to the point whereby I just have to do Ansible all and it's just going to ping everything. So to do that, what I can do is I need to create an ansible.cfg file. So this is it from Ansible documentation or Ansible documentation in GitHub, right? So this is the file, right? So if you want something, you can just uncomment it, you can just uncomment, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So let me come back here. So right inside this my Ansible tags, I'm going to create a file, new file, and I'm going to call the name ansible.cfg, right? So ansible.cfg, so enter. Then I'm going to open the file over here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come back here. I'll copy all this. So I'll just come to copy, or let me just say, no, copy here, copy. Just copy it. Then I will come here. I'll just paste it. Okay, so I'll paste it. So I've copied everything now. So let me clear. Instead of doing this ping, this module, right? Dash M ping, right? So I can just come to the default, as I think that's one. Yeah, this is it here, right? So let me pull this down. So this line 114, right? So what I will do is that I'll just uncomment that and I'll make the default module to be ping. So instead of typing ping all the time, I'll just make the default module to be ping, right? So I change it now. So if I file save, let me save. So if I save now, right? So if let me remove this one, right? I've removed that module now. So let me hit enter and let's see if everything will work. Okay, you see that? You see that it work? So we are reducing the command, we are optimizing, right? We are reducing the command little by little. So that worked, and that's good. So now let's do something else. So instead of also including my inventory, including this dash I, then putting the name of the inventory file, right? I can just come here, come up here to this, you see this line 14, right? I can just uncomment it. So I will uncomment it. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put comma, then I need to get the path to this, the path, right? So I'll get the path. So let me do PWD. So once I get the path, right? So I'll copy this path, copy the path to this, my Ansible dash tags. So I'll paste it here. Paste, then I'll do slash, then I'll put the name of the inventory file, which is invec2, invec2. So I'll put that, right? So I'll put that, let's see if everything looks good. Okay, so then I'm going to save now. Okay, I'm going to save, and let's come back here. Let me clear. So now if I just do Ansible, I will remove this part. I'll remove this part now, right? If I just do Ansible all, right? So you see that it's going to ping it, right? So you see that it's going to ping it because I already specified the inventory file. I just already specified the inventory file here, right? So that's just one way. We can also do, we can also ping maybe a particular group, right? This is like a particular group. Maybe I just want to ping this Red Hat host, right? So I can just, since I already specified the group there, I can just do Ansible. Instead of Ansible all, I can just do Ansible Red Hat 2 dash host, right? Red Hat 2 dash host, and it's going to ping it. You see that? It's going to ping it. So that's just how to optimize your Ansible command. I hope this video helps. Thank you.